Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things.
Welcome to the channel. I'm Shawna. Thanks for stopping by. My last day in Bristol. My brother and his friend is taking me to London. We're also going on, I think they say it's Oxford Street, where they have the brand stores and stuff, because they know I love brand. And I'm like, you have to get me a birthday gift before I go home. And I also want to pick up an item for myself. Like, I'm going to treat myself today. I am here. It's always gray, a rainy day in the life. Been raining all morning. It's not raining right now, but it's still dark and gray, and I just have to get used to, you know, this being London, England, the UK. It's always gray, dark and rainy. So we're here. I'm excited to see what Oxford Street is all about, and they're also taking me to the London Bridge. I'm excited to see the London Bridge. If you're Jamaican, there's a song that says London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. I think that's how the song goes. But I'm excited to see the London Bridge, to get a tour, like a little mini tour of London. I'm also taking my luggage with me because I'm not coming back to Bristol after the eventful day in London. I'll be staying there overnight to catch my flight midday tomorrow to go back to the States. Yeah, so my last day, my last couple hours. This is my last couple hours in Bristol. It was fun. Thank you, Bristol, for welcoming me. I had a good time here. But yeah, thanks for all my new subscribers. I see my numbers are going up. Gladly appreciate it. Guys, please like the video, please, I beg. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Just one click. Just click subscribe, click the bell to be notified, and click like. Please do. And I mean, leave your comments down below. I will interact with you guys, okay? Gladly appreciate it. So my brother and his friends is coming. They're very noisy, so I will see you guys once I am in London. Yes, let's enjoy the day. I'm excited to see what the stores are like here. He said it's like 34th Street in New York, so I was like, okay. So let's go see if I can make my brother spend some pounds on me. What's wrong with you, bro?
Yeah, that's what happened. Well, you are already just
What is it?
Yeah, please. Any meat, chicken. Sometimes you want to burn. Sometimes
We have the flowers thing over here.
Yeah.
Because somebody died there.
normally, yeah.
Okay, same thing in the US. Like if you drive on the highway and like you see like flowers and stuff, that means somebody passed away there. What's inside this ball thing?
That's a Millennium Ball. You go in there and, you know, VR type experience. But like you go in it and you're in a different world basically once you go inside. Go them set up the screen and everything inside.
So it's the Millennium Ball.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have brunch. We came here the other night for cocktail and food. The kitchen was closed for us, so I'm back to have brunch. The cocktails was good though. Hi, how are you?
Can I get the table?
Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Just literally grab the beef anywhere. So we'll order at the bar. We'll just run some food in a minute. Right, ready?
Okay.
You must have wonder. Come on, no show man.
The decor is very floral. It's a very pink decor.
The calamari
Thank you.
and crispy prawns.
So we have some prawns over here with some sweet chili sauce and some calamari. You like calamari?
Yep.
Yeah, right?
Rings.
At the first I said the stick.
Sticks, yeah.
You guys need anything else?
No, that's it for now. Thank you.
Are those 2 tacos?
I could see me take the prawn for you. I'm gonna serve for you. Over here we have beef taco and some cheesy chicken wings.
I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too.
I like this little bubble thing they have right here. In the nighttime it's light up. It's really cute. Yeah. Where are you taking me again?
That's a great Britain.
Okay, and that's where we're going. This used to be a slave port. And they have the Love Lock Bridge. Because I was saying that more on the right hand side, I say it's like a slavery thing. What the meaning or the energy or the spirit will come with the old bridge. So I don't really want to lock myself into the old spirit or come my life I go on good so far, you know? So I didn't want to come to Bristol and mess my life up. So I was like, let me do some research before I come and lock myself on a bridge. Because if I go home, Kirk, and things are going wrong. Yes, I know. Let's go back to Bristol and unlock that lock. Because I cannot afford my amazing life to be locked on a bridge.
But I wouldn't something that way. You know, man, no different.
No, I already have the lock.
Oh, yeah.
And other than that, what we never do it is because we didn't have a marker to write sisterhood on the lock. Because like we're locking in sisterhood, yeah?
Okay.
And the mom was like, it's a slavery bridge. I was like, wait, hold up, a what? So then the mom do Google whatever, and I read it. And I said, no, I need to think about this more, do some more research. But I still have the lock.
Yeah, originally that so the whole boy that they made the money off was in this slave trade. Because
Right.
all of them building I was in honor of them people. Now them go and lick down the statue them man. Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna pass on this lock bridge.
Yeah, I wouldn't still.
No, leave it.
You're taking off the old thing off of what happened by turning it into that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, cute history.
Yeah, I deny the fuck out what the thing is by trying to
Yeah.
do something else. But yeah, fuck that.
All English cabs. The line for Ben cookies is mad long. Oh. In one of my favorite store, if you know me, I have like 3 MCM stuff.
Look how wicked. How many couples?
John,
Look how wicked. Look how wicked. Yeah?
Super brother where you go.
yeah. I like these slippers, but I'm not loving the colors that they have at all. It would be nice if they have the prices on their stuff.
Yeah, no.
Even the slippers.
Questa non c'è. Yeah.
certain place might take.
You're pretty sure I'm not gonna take no cash.
Yeah.
Aye, aye, aye. Why wouldn't you?
Nah, support Balenciaga.
Why wouldn't you? We're going to Tory Bridge. We go inside Tory. Thank you.
Of course.
The famous telephone box.
Yeah, so I think we can get plumbing.
Open it. You don't like crab?
Not the one here, the one in back home.
It's a sea crab.
Yeah.
You like the little nasty crab them?
No, black
Look
crab.
nasty bush crab.
No, black crab.
Nasty, John nasty.
Listen.
Yeah.
Black crab don't eat shit. White crab eat shit.
No.
And I'm so sincere on that.
You.
Why buy fish in that yard? Like you know, we go market and
Yeah.
shop. What kind of fish?
Not a specific fish head, just buy fish head. You don't have a special name.
What them done?
Yo, gentlemen.
My brother and his friends are buying fish
How you do the prawn?
for their dinner.
10 pounds a kilo, sir. Alright, can I get a kilo, please? Sure. And how you do the sea bass?
Which sea bass you like, sir?
How would you do it? How does he sell the sea bass, sir?
Sir, we do 3 pound each and 4 pound each.
Yep.
These are sea bass?
Yes, sea bass.
I said these are sea bass.
I said no deal.
I think these are tilapia.
No, those are tilapia.
Those are tilapia.
6, 7 months.
Tilapia. What are these right here?
It's called sea bream.
Who?
Sea bream.
Sea bream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, where are the brand?
Octopus. The guys are getting fish and prawn.
Butter.
So these right here are butterfish. But butterfish easy for mash up, no?
Yeah.
Which butter you like, sir? 6 pounds, sir. Any doctor?
I haven't seen Dr. Fish in years. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Ian boy, yeah. I haven't seen Dr. Fish in forever.
Together, sir, 14 pound 90.
And these are prawns. $11.99 per kilo. That's expensive though. Oxtail is expensive. So we got our fish. So we're gonna go home, make some fish and some prawn.
Yeah.
With some cocktail, and that's my night, John. This part of Bristol is Brixton is ghetto. We're in the ghetto, right? And that brand nephew. Where I get seasoning?
Somebody want some okra.
You have okra? 3 plantains, £2. We're in Bristol buying stuff to go back to Bristol. Come countryman, come pick 2 pumpkins. Pick 2 good pumpkins. Come on, put the pumpkin and stuff nice. You guys eat eggplant? You like yeah. You don't like it? Who for me so? But I want to get eggplant like. You don't need pepper?
Oh, me?
Yeah. When it's a tea for mommy kiss cake them, not yes, shop.
Of course.
It's a tea for the kiss cake. Them I use fork and eat it like a bougie. And then no one call me bougie. But look at you.
That me used to go on with.
What? You done kill woman.
Oh, sorry.
You must have kill mommy shop. Johnny, I put on big shopping. You're a real man, you know, you pick out your stuff them. I like it.
My purpose.
Hey, when I have mojo herb. Mojo herb. You never hear about that?
I'm not gonna know about them things.
I wonder if nobody, you know them things, the big man?
I East man, them man are East man, them man are Persian man, them man not know what I want.
Different name, man.
Different name, not true? Alright. You know, maybe could I get that run of the different run of sport direct with the rest of man sell everything.
You know them something there?
No, sweetheart.
Wash out? You want to take wash out?
Yellow Park herb?
Yeah.
Is much herb name?
Mojo herb.
I wasn't aware that it called mojo herb. I just know it's herb. It's not mojo herb, it's herb.
Mojo herb, you're going to ask the herb, you get any kind of herb then?
You sure it called mojo herb?
Yes. They didn't man just answer me.
No, different one.
Yeah, you can get it from Jamaica. Mojo herb, yeah man, use it the wash out.
You boil it. It's a similar like Sirisi, you know Sirisi? Yeah. Similar like Sirisi.
What name?
Okay, alright. alright.
Let's go.
So is it bush, yeah? Yes. Right.
Sorry, Sean. Yeah, ready up.
Come, because them lifestyle here. When you come and start getting man trouble.
This boy, there's some green lime as well to you. I want to you. Yo, I make some rum punch. How do you go? How long do you drink some rum punch? I say yeah, go on.
Spending the night at Sunman, London Gatwick Airport.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool.
I'm staying at the Sunman Signature Hotel for one night. My flight leaves tomorrow midday. A little room tour, bathroom, shower, but yeah, this is the bathroom. Over here you have a little microwave tea thing going on. My luggage right here. It's only me tonight, so this is good enough for the next couple hours. This is literally 8 minutes away from the airport, so I have no reason to miss my flight tomorrow. TV, little couch. Let's see if I have a view. Not really. Can I see outside? But yeah, this is pretty much my stay for tonight. Travel with me from London to JFK. My flight leaves in 2 hours. I'm ready to go. I'm a bit hoarse, I'm tired, all that jazz. I'm all packed and ready to go. So travel with me from London back to the States. I'm going to New Jersey, but I'm going through JFK Airport. So let's go back to the States. I am tired, but it was fun. So far the hotel is pretty cool. My room is pretty decent. Breakfast was okay. My time here in London was good.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your
You've lost the bag.
I did. Thank you. Hello. I barely made it. I almost missed my flight. Oh my goodness. When I got to the gate, they were already boarding my group. Real poor for me. But my unpopular opinion, I find Gatwick Airport to be very confusing. It was a lot going on. Really confusing. Sorry. It was so confusing. But I'm here excited to go back home. Here we go. 7 hours and 40 minutes. It's a full flight and a long flight. I see you guys when I'm back in the States where I belong.
I guess she does.
Sacando la maleta. Sacando la maleta.
I am home. Not really home, but I'm going to New Jersey. I'm feeling sick. I think I have the flu. My eyes are running. My nose is running. I'm stuffy. My head hurts. My body hurts.
Do not ride the escalator. Walk to the end of the platform and take the elevator instead.
What if it's COVID I have?
Attention all passengers.
Could be COVID, right?
Please hold on to your children.
I'm going to check if I have a COVID test at home and take a home test because I do not like how I'm feeling. I am back home safe and sound, not feeling my best. I look sick, I feel sick, I think I have the flu, but today was a long day, been traveling for hours. Thank God I'm home. England was fun. It was an amazing time with families, getting to know a couple cities, or say boroughs, or whatever they call different names. In the States we call it different states or city, but it was good to to know a couple places that I went. It was an amazing time with my brother, my sister, sister-in-law, niece and nephews, one niece and nephews. It was a good time. Happy to be home. It was a long flight, okay? It was a very, very long flight. I'm only going to do night flights because naturally at night, my body just, wants to sleep. In the daytime, it's very hard, especially flying solo. You know it goes. No company, no one to talk to. The internet sometimes, up and down, it fluctuates. It's a lot. This traveling from London to JFK was a lot. But I'm home. Jump in the shower, get some food. I got some soup and some orange just now to get some vitamin C. I'm going to take some emergency. I'm going to drink a pack of emergency, eat some orange, take a multisymptom, drink some soup, and go to bed.